Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to keep working on the old Chevy truck. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so the one thing I promised you at the beginning of this build is that we weren't going to get into a ton of just sanding and body work, because I know that stuff's not the most exciting to watch. But I did promise you I'd give you updates and show you what was going on. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to hopefully finish up on some of the metal work on this truck, and we can at least, put that behind us, and then we can start on the body work. So I hope you enjoy it.
But all they do is just that. That one's still good.
Okay.
But I'm just showing you.
Okay.
So what you can do is, you see in here?
Yeah.
You see how I've done here? I did it for Ken, so he's showing a video. So you just get in here, and you don't, this will go 10,000 RPM. You'll burn it up. So you just watch, just like this. This way. See how good that cleans it out?
Okay.
And it doesn't take a long time. And you can push this against it, you're not going to hurt it. And it's all clean.
Ideally.
No, thank you though, I appreciate it. All right, thanks buddy. Bye.
All right, now we're going to get into some of the rust repair on this truck. We'll hopefully finish up on, some of the welding and all that rust repair. So let's get after it.
I'm making relief holes so I can get the blade in. Such a bad design. I hold this and it pushes the battery off. across here and cut it. That next step is burnt up. Stop it. Cuts through that rust fast.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get that with the sizzler. That's a cab corner.
Yeah.
So I got to make a decision. I got to put that seam back in. I got to see. I measured all this, and this hole should be there. I mean, I'll be able to fix it, but...
Alright guys, that's enough grinding and body work for one day. Hey, a buddy of mine stopped by with his 78 Chevy truck. I thought you might enjoy it. This truck is super nice and super original, and it's just a gorgeous truck. So let's take a look at it. Buddy of ours stopped by with this gorgeous original 1978 Chevy pickup. This thing is really nice. You just don't see them like this anymore. Fires right up, purrs like a kitten. Can't even hear that thing run. It's like brand new. Oh, do me a favor, pop the hood again. I'll show the engine. Just the way it came from the factory. Still got the heat riser on it. He said it works yet.
That one still works back there. On the exhaust even.
Oh, he said the one on the exhaust still works as well. AC truck. This is 1978. I mean, look at that bed, not a spot of rust in it. Thing looks awesome.
What's the trailering special? I don't see many of those.
Yeah, you don't see many of the trailering specials, and it's a Big 10.
Silverado.
It's a nice truck. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at it. I know I sure did. I always love seeing a super clean truck like this. All right, now we'll get into some of the rust repair for this.
Somebody's ringing my phone. Ow! Son of a bitch.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. We'll get into some of the bodywork portion of this truck where we're actually applying some of the plastic filler and doing some sanding on that. So I'm sure it'll be interesting. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching.